family, happy new year. Hope you are doing well. If you are new here, welcome to this channel and feel at home. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm Susan Velesi, and in today's video I am going to share with you what we normally eat in a day as a family of 4. So there I'm preparing mandazi for breakfast. We are going to eat mandazi with tea for breakfast, guys. So if you want this full recipe of mandazi, you can find it in my channel. I have a full recipe on how to prepare such a mandazi or these mandazis. You can check it out. I'll leave the link in my description box. You can go and check the recipe of preparing this mandazi. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you.
Two souls colliding, we shared the pieces of ourselves. It's perfect timing now. We fueled the flames, but we're still learning to trust, It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up. Don't fight the fire, too much too fast will burn us out. We walk the wire, love. Don't make me read your mind, I know it. Learning to trust. It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up. I won't fall when I'm picking you up. Of my hand, I will be strong enough. Our love is stronger, and I'll be here. My lead, now we're taking the jump. My pride, cause I know you're the one. Our love is stronger. Baby, I know that it's stronger than yesterday.
Our mandazis are ready. So guys, we are going to take a tea with mandazis. That's our breakfast for today. Sometimes we normally take maybe tea with chapati, tea with cassava, tea with arrowroots, tea with corn. So it's not every day that we normally take tea with mandazi, but this particular day we took a tea with a mandazi. It's 9 a.m. guys, and it's on a weekend, so my husband is home. After eating breakfast, I'm going to prepare fruit salad. For today guys, I have a pawpaw or papaya with a watermelon. I only have those two fruits, so yeah, we are going to do with that guys. So let's prepare this fruit salad. So the fruit salad we normally eat at around 12 p.m. So at around 12 p.m. we are going to eat this fruit salad. Guys, let's prepare the pawpaw and the watermelon. Is it pawpaw or papaya? Some people call it pawpaw and some call it papaya. So whichever you call it guys. So these are the ones that I'm going to prepare. So guys, let's prepare the fruit salad.
You don't like
Our salad is ready and well served. It's so yummy, guys. It looks so good. So our next meal is lunch. So let's prepare lunch, guys. For lunch, we are going to prepare wet fried beef and fries. You are going to eat fries with a beef. So let's prepare lunch, guys. Guys, our next meal is dinner or supper. For supper, we are going to prepare chicken, greens, and ugali. So guys, let's prepare our supper. What?
You're in life. Mom. Mommy, I want to pass. Excuse me.
Where are you going? Because me, I'm not allowing you to come here because me, I'm working here. Shani na wata angusha ring light yangu staki.
She's going to push it.
Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. You can share me out if you can, guys. I will really appreciate. And I would like to take this opportunity just to thank my new subscribers. Thank you so much for choosing this family. Thank you for joining this family. We really appreciate you, guys. Feel at home and feel loved, guys.
Mommy, what's that you're cooking? Mommy, what's that you're cooking?
This one. It's called chicken.
Chicken. And you're taking with my spoon. And my spoon.
Which spoon?
And with my spoon. You're taking my spoon.
Mama, is that your spoon really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Daddy bought for my kitchen because it's mine. For the kitchen of mine.
Shania, what are you doing?
I thought it's my spoon.
No, I thought it's my spoon.
Why do you think it's yours?
Daddy's locking the door.
Why is Daddy locking the door?
Dada! Honey bees.
Sisi back and you beg way. So make a try. Siamo che in bed.
Guys, our chicken is getting ready. I'm deep frying it. After deep frying it, I'm going to fry it because I want a wet fried chicken with veggies and ugali. So first I'm deep frying it. After that I'm going to fry it with onion and tomatoes. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Guys, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you. Our dinner or supper is ready and well served and ready to eat. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you, my subscribers. Thank you, my returning subscribers. Thank you, my new subscribers. Thank you for choosing this family. I really appreciate you guys, and bye, and let's meet on our next video.